Okay, this is a very, very rare sewing machine. It is a W.G. Smith of Chicago, Illinois, and it was the Smith Sewing Machine Company. It is from 1870. I have it upside down just because I wanted to make a quick video and show you that it is free and turning. You can see how nice and smooth and easily it does turn. I'm going to turn it over here. It is sitting in a little wooden casket box. And I will run the needle from the back side here. Just want you to see that it is all moving and turning. Sorry, but my light in here is just not that great. Okay, thank you.